Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to create a FTP connection to your Android phone. That way you don't need to connect your USB to get your files off of it. But right here I'm showing you my new handheld stand. I made it a little bit prettier, wood base here. It's got a washer connected to it. And then this way, if I'm not going to use the tripod and I need something metal, I can just go ahead and just put it down. So anyway, kind of the first part is we're just going to go ahead and record a video. And so that it's going to copy it to the DCIM folder, and when it gets done copying to the DCIM folder, it's in a subfolder called camera. And pay attention, pay notes to that, because that's going to be relevant later on in the setup. If you haven't seen the other videos in the series, definitely go back where you can see the magnetic mounts for the camera and the base. I'll kind of show you more what's going on here with the camera rig. Okay, we're done recording the video. We're going to move over to the Android app and kind of show you what we're going to do there. So in Android, you're going to go to the Play Store and you're going to look up FTP server. And I use the Wi-Fi FTP server, and you're going to install that application. It is free, but it has apps. You can use any FTP application. I just happen to like this one. When it's installed, we're going to go through the setup screens and I'm going to show you the relevant items to set up. So by default, the application comes with no security, and in this video I'm not going to be using security. Now that it's installed, let's go ahead and open up the application. And before you click on Start, click on the settings up there at the top, and then as you can see, it allows anonymous access. You can set up security if you like. For convenience sake, I'm going to change the default folder that's shared. I'm going to share the DCIM camera folder. That way I don't have to navigate the file section. So you hit the menu button and then you'll click on the menu and it will say show or hide SD card. Show the SD card, and in this case it's the internal. Then you'll navigate to the DCIM folder. I missed it here. We'll go back up, and in the DCIM folder we'll select the camera folder, and then at the bottom hit select camera. Now we'll back out and we'll go ahead and hit the start button. Now pay attention in the top entry, it's server URL. There's an FTP // an IP address and a port number, and this is important information you'll need. So let's move over to the Windows section and I'll show you how to make the permanent connection. Right click on my computer and say add a network place, then click next and next again. And at this you're going to type that URL address that you noted off your Android screen. And then if you set up security, the next screen will allow you to put the username and password, or you can just select anonymous, how I am doing it. And then the following screen will let you name it. I'm going to just call the folder CAM. When you click finish, it will drop you right into that folder that you'd selected. This is the DCIM folder and inside the camera folder. And now when I click on CAM, the folder shows right up. The next thing is after I recorded the video, we're going to reload it. We're going to copy the video off, and I'll show you how to do that right now. You just click on the CAM folder. There's that new file, and I'm going to drag it over to my computer and paste it there. And now, after it moves, it takes a couple seconds depending on the size of the movie and your Wi-Fi. But now you can edit it with an editing tool or whatever you'd like. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching, and you all have a nice weekend.